Nanjing Alton Technology Company Limited, founded in 2017. Our associated company, Alton Technology, is a professional manufacturer specializing in cleaning machinery, boasting an independent 4,000 square meter production base and a team of experienced technical production and management personnel dedicated to the full industrial chain of professional cleaning equipment, including R&D design, production, and sales. With koi products covering scrubber dryers, sweepers, wet-dry vacuums, high-pressure water cleaning equipment, and more. Located in Nanjing with convenient transportation, we adhere to strict quality control standards and provide thoughtful customer service. And every link from design, production, and delivery to after-sales service reflects our pursuit of excellence. While all products have obtained CEC QC and RoHS certifications, and the company has passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. Our products are widely sold across China and have established dealers in nearly 20 countries such as the United States, Spain, the Netherlands, Israel, the Czech Republic, South Korea, Malaysia, Thailand, and India, and equipped with our own factory and R&D team. We offer OEM and ODM services to support product color diversification, which enables us to reduce costs, guarantee product quality, and maintain stable delivery times. We are committed to helping every customer improve production efficiency and economic benefits through high-quality products, convenient, fast, and thoughtful after-sales service, and professional knowledge. So whether you need to select existing products from our catalog or require conscientiously cleaning solutions, our customer service center is always ready to assist with your equipment sourcing needs.